All right. Hello. Good afternoon. Good morning. Thanks for being here. Let's talk today a little bit at looking at how Instagram works. So go ahead and go to the Instagram app here. Now at this point, you should have already created a page and have a first few posts going out if you have your Instagram for Business page. And this is what it'll look like. So you'll have how many posts you have, how many followers you have, who you're following. You can do some promotions, edit your profile here. You got the name, the type of page it is, as well as your little about paragraph and a link to your website. A new thing that's recently come out, you tried airplane mode here to eliminate distractions, but then it won't work live. So get the Wi-Fi going here. Refresh this here. Okay, so if we go to edit the profile here, one of the new things that we're able to do is include hashtags in the link that will be live and searchable, as well as you can tag other people. Let's go ahead and tag my personal page, my personal profile here. And so that's starting to roll out. Looks like I don't have it here yet. I will show you on my personal profile what that looks like as they're rolling out. You can see that my personal page links to the business page here, which is pretty neat. So go ahead and switch back over into the account here. And I will edit this, as it looks like I do not quite have that feature yet. And delete this here. And save that there. Perfect. So those are a few little editing things you can do. It should be rolling out probably by the time you're watching this, as well as the email button we have. And here we can view the various posts that have gone out. As you can see, been focusing on starting a few different posts and then really getting in that branding, the same colors, the same content, so that when somebody looks at our profile, they can tell this is the Pancake Digital Solutions branding. These here, this is another way that you can list and view your posts to see what they look like in a row here. You can also see insights on individual posts, how many people liked it, comments, saves, who visited your profile from it, and how many people it reached. Tagged photos, if anybody has tagged you in a photo. Sometimes there's some spam ones, unfortunately, but this is where the tagged photos will be. As well as if you've saved anything, if you've saved any photos or videos that you've wanted to see more of. To visit the insights here, you can see this button up here, the little up and down bar graph, and it'll tell you some of your insights within the last week. So currently we have 193 followers, 4 of which we've gotten in the last 7 days, and posted 5 times in the last 7 days for a total of 118 posts. There's 312 impressions, 21 in the last 7 days. Looks like most of them were on Tuesday. So impressions means how many times your post was on a screen. So last week, our posts were on 312 screens. Reach are the people. So it reached 100 different profiles, 8 new ones in the last 7 days. So it was on 100 different profile screens 312 times with reach and impressions. And then 10 profile views, 6 of them in the last 7 days. Looks like Thursday was a good day for that. This is some information about our followers. So it looks like it's 63% women, primarily between the ages of 25 and 34, mostly in Charleston, St. Louis, and Los Angeles. Various posts, stories, and promotions. We haven't done those, but this is where that information will be located. If you have any more questions about what do certain things mean, here's information on the statistics there. as well as you can always see more information about your followers, other locations, times of days, hours of days that they're on. It looks like Thursdays and Saturdays are the primary days for us, and the evenings here between 3 and 6 p.m. for our followers here. Countries, if you have other countries for your target market, more within the age range, especially between men and women. So it's a great little way to start learning about who your followers are on Instagram here. If you come through some searching here, your home, you can see what some of your people have been posting, like it, comment on it, share it, start to grow your reach. You can follow hashtags, so we'll search here. This search bar is just kind of like a news feed, but a more searchable timeline. And you can search by top suggested people, recent hashtags. So these are all the people, tags, and places that you can search. Which searching for people tweeting about Facebook, or Instagramming about Facebook ads is good. You know, I can go through and comment, see what other people are posting, and I can follow this if I wanted. You know, Facebook marketing, just getting information out there. So there's a quick little bit on running Instagram. Another nice little tip is if you're posting photos, got a puppy dog here, for example, but one of the things you can do is create a note here with all of your hashtags, and then you can copy and paste it within your post so that you don't have to retype all of them every single time. You can also take a photo straight from your computer, which I'll take a photo of this nice little background here. And a great way to post content is to just record what you're doing. So we'll say recording Instagram training video, post those hashtags right in there, and maybe add a couple of more that are specific here. Instagram training. See, oh, there's a few. And we saw that Instagram marketing. Looks like there was a typo there. Here we go, Instagram marketing. Perfect. No location, don't need a tag. I'm not going to upload it to any of those there. Just go ahead and share that out. Voila. You can see that here within the posts. Let it update here. A little bit off brand, but coffee's always good. So good to have some coffee sometimes. All right, well, thanks so much. Happy Instagramming.